Today we are exploring Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, established in 2008 in Lalpur, Madhya Pradesh, rated 3.9 out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com. IGNTU's BSc program has a placement rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. Let's see what makes this university stand out. IGNTU has a placement cell, but students' review indicate a mostly negative placement scenario. The department focuses on lab and research work, particularly on projects sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology (FIST). Placements are more commonly offered to vocational, management, and tourism students rather than those in science programs. The median salary for graduates was 2.6 lakh per annum in 2022-23, with fluctuations over the years. However, there was 30% increase in median packages in 2023 compared to 2022. For comparison, the median salary by nearby Amity University, Madhya Pradesh is notably higher. The BSc program has a student rating of 3.8 stars and offers 3 BSc specializations. For admission to the BSc and BSc Honours program, eligibility criteria vary by specialization. Students who have passed 10+2 examination in any branch of science from a recognized board or institution with minimum 45% aggregate are eligible to apply. All candidates must take the CUET exam in the subjects they studied in their class 12th exams. For instance, for BSc in biotechnology, candidates need to take the CUET exam with biology as one of the subjects. Now let's talk about the cost. The total fees for the 3-year BSc or BSc Honours program at IGNTU is around 26,000, including an optional hostel fee of 17,000. With this fee structure and expected median salary, we get an exceptionally favorable ROI. In comparison, Amity University, Madhya Pradesh charges around 13 lakhs for the same period, including a hostel fee of about 4.7 lakhs. Moving on to infrastructure, where IGNTU is rated 4 out of 5 stars. The university also has a campus in Manipur and is expanding its reach to other regions, including Mayurbhanj in Orissa. The Lalpur campus offers Wi-Fi, highly praised lab and instrumentation facilities, well-maintained classrooms, and fully air-conditioned departments. The Professor Ram Dayal Munda Library is well stocked and closes at 6 p.m. The campus has all essential amenities and hostel facilities, with 5 hostels, 3 for boys and 2 for girls, each room housing 3 students. Additional amenities include medical facilities, gyms, indoor and outdoor sports courts, and a cafeteria. When it comes to faculty and courses, IGNTU has again been rated 4 out of 5 stars. The faculty is highly qualified, with all its members holding PhD degrees and many having completed their postdoctoral studies abroad. The curriculum is regularly updated to stay current with advancements in each field. Evaluation includes a mix of written exams. The on-campus Dr. Ambedkar Center for Excellence focuses on training students belonging to scheduled castes for competitive exams, particularly the civil services. Let's now talk about the campus life, which has been rated 3.8 out of 5. The Lalpur campus is green and pollution-free, providing an ideal setting for both studies and extracurricular activities. The university features various extracurriculars including games, quizzes, dance, and singing organized by the Cultural Society. There is an innovation club that invites designers, thinkers, and researchers from various fields to contribute to problem-solving scenarios. Additionally, the Counseling Center offers support for career guidance, adjustment issues, personal and emotional challenges, and personality development. Wrapping up with the rankings, where IGNTU is currently unranked in the NIRF 2023 rankings, but was ranked in the 151 to 200 band in the university category in NIRF 2021. For more details on IGNTU and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.